Everybody, the main reason why I bought this house was because of the garage. I've got a lot of stuff planned for this garage. So the first thing I wanted to do was redo the floors. Right now it has this kind of beige epoxy floors, which isn't bad, but as you can see all the tire marks, all the dirt everywhere, and it's hard to keep clean. And so I just wanted to make a video to show you guys what floors I chose. I chose Swisstrax floors. I got a super good deal on these Swisstrax floors. I've already kind of started laying them out. Here's the first couple of rows. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to install them because I spent the last hour trying to figure it out, but I think I've got a method that's going to go the quickest. But I chose these floors because I watch Obsessed Garage and they made some really good point about these floors, and I got a really good deal. With these floors, the dirt goes underneath them because they have grooves and they have water tracks. So it's kind of out of sight, out of mind. So you only clean it when you want to. So you can lift up the floors, or you can just kind of pressure wash and clean out the floors every once in a while. But you're not going to see all the dirt and all the leaves at all times. So I thought it was a good solution for the floors. Plus, I found these on OfferUp. They were actually from Barrett Jackson. They were from a display at Barrett Jackson. So I got like $5,000 worth of flooring for about $700. So you can't beat it. Red probably wasn't my first choice, but now that the first couple rows are down, I'm actually really liking it. So the other thing is we're gonna need to do new cabinets. These cabinets will do for now, but eventually I wanna do a cabinet array in this corner right here, and probably either take that out or put a desk there. And we've got new lighting coming, so we should have a lot of projects. So the first thing that you need to do when you do the Swisstrax is you have to line up the front edge. So it kind of has these edge pieces that make it easier to roll up onto it, so there's not just a hard edge. So these click in a certain way, so either you have a tongue part or a groove part. So you want to make sure that you line up either the tongue or groove part depending on which piece you order. And then the reason why I have this garage door closed is you want to put it on your first row, and with the door closed, just jam it up right next to the seal of the garage, and then you can build yourself back. Since mine has the loop on this side, I'm starting from here and working that way. That way I could just pop them into place. If I worked from here this way, I would have to lift up the other row to get the loops underneath and then push it down. So I'm just gonna work my way this way and then snap it in. So here's a time lapse of me finishing the garage. I gotta say, it started out pretty easy, but it gets pretty taxing, but so far it's looking pretty good. I think another thing that you should consider is how you line it up to make the cuts as easy as possible. So I chose to just go right up against this wall here, since this is the longest wall. I should have as little cuts as possible on this side, but then I'll have to make cuts over there. But since the cabinets and everything are going over there, I was gonna have to make cuts anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get all the full pieces in, and then I'll do the cuts afterwards. The full pieces seem to go pretty quick. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do for the cuts yet though, so keep watching. Alright, so I got all the main pieces down. I'm probably not going to do the cut pieces today, just because I don't have anything convenient to cut it with. Once I figure out what I'm going to cut it with, I'll finish it up. So I don't know if that's going to be in this video or not, but also I got barrina lights. So these were just delivered. So I'm going to replace these lights up here, and then these 3 lights I'll also replace with lighting throughout the whole bay. And I don't know if I'm going to keep those in the same video or if I'll make separate videos, but I guess you'll find out. But yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, so it's a different day. Didn't make much more progress on the floor. I got all the main pieces put down, but I still have to do the edges, all the cut pieces. But I did get the lights done. So they just had 3 fluorescent lights in here. So I still have to put junction boxes in there and then trim the wires to length. But these are barrina lights. So I got these on Amazon. I think for a pack of 6, it's like $100, $120 or something like that. They're super easy to install because they link together. So you just need one power source basically. And then they go up with these clips here. And then I just use one little screw straight into the drywall. I didn't even have to pre-drill or put any anchors, and it holds it up pretty snug. So that was pretty easy. I think the hardest part is just going to be hiding these wires. But yeah, I'm super happy with the light. I think it makes like the cars look like they're in a freaking dealership showroom. I just watched the G-Wagon, so it looks pretty good. I want to finish the floors and I want to finish the lights, but I also kind of want to start on the project for this car. So the next video might be me starting on the BMW. I want to do a full restoration. There's just like some of the plastics are aging. It needs a full decontamination and polish and detail, so I want to do that. But yeah, I think the garage is starting to come together. Just a few, things I need to do. I don't know what I'm going to do for cabinets yet. I might end up keeping the cabinets that are over there, just for the time being. I need a car lift. I don't know if I want to do a quick jack or if I want to do a full lift system. So we'll see what goes on with that. And then I still need to get the vacuum, the central vacuum put in, and the air conditioning put in. So that, and then wall mount the pressure washer. I've been washing the cars, kind of just like putting together the pressure washer and bringing it down every time, and it's literally the worst part about it. So once I'm able to get the pressure washer set up on the wall, I'll probably do some car wash videos and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way the garage is coming out. So next video will probably be me working on the BMW. But if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I make videos about my life, so like the things I'm interested in. I'm working on a really big project for real estate right now, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. And then I just kind of keep you guys updated on things I'm interested in, investments, and different stuff like that, or current events. So hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel out a bunch, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
I'm just really trying to show you no love. Say you tired and you need a new love. Use what you got for your lose love. See new things with your views up. Yeah.